What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's my Samsung Galaxy Tab S350 awesome feature. Literally I love my Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 a lot. So the number 15 feature is the game launcher. Literally I love the game launcher. It optimizes the games for me. Amazing feature. And number 14 is the number 14 feature is the awesome feature is this 7.1 millimeter thick on it. This is one of the thinnest tablet ever I have used. Literally I'm in love. This is very thin tablet. One of the thinnest tablet ever I use. I literally love it. And number 13 is the OTG Support. Literally I can easily use the OTG as I want. Yeah, the OTG work amazingly good, to be honest with you. I love the OTG, to be honest with you. See, the OTG is working. The OTG Support. And number 12 is using any Bluetooth mouse such as this one. I can easily use on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. And now for the number 11 feature is the Plam swipe to capture, but you need to turn on this feature. Go to the setting. Okay, not go, you need to go to the advanced feature and then click this Plam swipe to capture. This is a little bit tricky, it's not that easy. Let me try it. Okay, now it's capture. And number 10 is the smart select. Literally the smart select. When you have the S Pen with you, just press on the side and then I can click smart select and then yeah, confirm, and whatever I want to select I can select it. This is an amazing feature, to be honest with you. And number 9 is the fast charging. The charging is really very fast. And number 8 is the 14:3 aspect ratio. This is good for playing some old emulator games, also for reading books, reading magazine, watching old dramas. I love the 4:3 just for reading. And number 4 is the flashlight. Literally the real flashlight is quite good, to be honest with you. As you can see, here we go. Isn't that amazing? Okay. And number 6 is the speaker tuned by the AKG HARMAN. I love it. I love the speakers, which are really very good, to be honest with you. I'm very happy with the speakers. Let me go to the music player to demonstrate to you. Music player. Okay, the flashlight is on. Album. Okay, here we go. It's quite good, to be honest with you. And number 5 is the app pair. Literally you can easily make app pair as you want. I can launch 2 apps by same time. Let me show you my app pair. Here's my Chrome, and I'm gonna create the app pair. Now it's okay. App pair added to home screen. Okay, let's see where's the app pair added to home screen. Okay, and let's see, the app pair is been added to home screen, but I can't see any kind of app pair on my home screen. Okay, here it is. Literally you see it was adding to the last home screen. Now if I swipe click, you see it's open. It took so long time just for the app pair. And number 4 is the amazing 4K camera video recording. To be honest with you, I literally love it. The amazing 4K camera have amazing video quality. It can record up to 4K. I'm literally happy. You see UHD. And number 3, yes, now for the number 3 is none other than the S Pen. Literally the S Pen have so many features. You can see. If I just press the button on the side, it will automatically open. There's so many features for the S Pen. I literally love it. And number 2 is only lightweight, 429 grams. Literally this is the lightest weight. And number 1 is the best AMOLED display ever. Literally the best AMOLED display ever. On this tablet. I love it. This is not the best AMOLED display. I'm talking about the Super AMOLED. This is the best Super AMOLED display ever. I really love it. So this was the 50 awesome feature of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. It was me, Geek.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم. الله فهب لي